The first stage of my passive house eco cabin build was to level the ground in the area that you want your cabin. The ground was overgrown and uneven with a tree stump in the corner and a half-meter difference in height end to end. I initially started doing this by hand, but shifting half a meter of earth from one end of the garden to the other isn't an easy job, so I then used a rotavator with a homemade bulldozer attachment made from a scaffold board. You can use the rotavator going forward to break up the soil and then lower the bulldozer attachment and reverse to level off the ground. This worked really well. As you go, periodically use a laser level or water level to check it's more or less level across the whole area. The more level it is, the lower you can have your cabin to the ground. And depending on your local planning regulations, this could make a big difference to the maximum height of your cabin. My limit was 2.5 meters, but the ground was uneven and in a dip, so I built mine to the same height as my neighbors, which gave me a height of 2.8 meters, and it wasn't an issue at all for building control. You can also surround it with decking to give you a 2.5 meter ground to roof height if you wish. Next step, setting out string lines to mark where to dig holes for the pile foundations.